First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 39 daily score booster questions. First, we are going with the simplifications. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's see first question. Here it is 22.5 percentage, means this will be 22.5 percentage. 22.5 means 44 45 by 200 into 1600. So double zeros and double zeros cancel. 2 8 times 45, 8 times 8 5 times is 40, 8 4 times 32, 360. So we get a 360 from this one, plus 90% of 6490. Percentage and 2 zeros are cancelled. We get a 649 into 9, and 9 times is 81, 9 4 times is 36, 36 and 8 44, 9 6 times 54, 58. So totally we have 5841 plus 360. We have 1 0. This will be 26201 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. Here 12 5 times is 60, 12 3 times is 36, so 42, so 420 here, plus it seems like 65 minus 3 and 65 plus 3. So it is a minus b into a plus b formula. The formula answer will be a square minus b square. A square value means 65 square value, which is 6 plus 1 7 6 times 42 and 25. 42 25 is the 65 square value, minus 3 square, which is minus 9. So we get a 4 to 16, 4 to 16, plus 17 1 times is 17, 17 2 times is 17 9 times is 153 plus 1 154. So we get 13, 6 plus 2 8, 9 plus 2 11, 5 6 6 1 8 3 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next we are going to see question number 3, 7.14 percentage. The fraction value of this one is nothing but 1 by 14 into 42 into 42. 42 14 3 times is 42, so 303 times is this one. So answer for this one is 303 plus 6.66 percentage. The fraction value of this one is nothing but 1 by 15 into 1575. 15 1 times 0 time and 5 times, plus 91.66 percentage. I can divide this as 75 percentage plus 16.66 percentage into 2424. 75 percentage of 2424 means 3/4 of 2424. For 6 times 0 times 6 times 6 3 times is 18, 6 3 times is 18. So 1818 comes for this one, plus 16.66 percentage, which is nothing but 1 by 6 into 2424. So 6404 times. So these two addition means 5 and 2 and 2, 2252 is the value for this one. Okay, so totally we have 303 plus 105 plus 2252. So we get 10 6 6. Wait a second, here 4 plus 8 will be 2, 12. Okay, this will be 2 and this will be 2, triple 2. Okay, 4 2s. So this will be 0 and 3, this will be 6 and this will be 2. So answer will be 2630. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth one. To solve this, we need to know the values of this one. Root over 3136, which is 56 square. Okay, 56 square value is 3136, plus 44 square value is 29 2936. 2936 is a 44 square. This is why we need to know 1 to 60 squares by heart. Okay, cube root of 6859, which is 19 value. So wait a second, this is 1936, not 2936. 44 square value is 1936. Okay, let's see. 12 plus 9, 21, and this will be 10 plus 1, 11, 0, 2, 2011 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next one, last question. 15 4 times is 60, 15 2 times is 30, 3 36, 360. This will be 95 into 24. I write 24 as 2 into 12. This will be 90, 190 into 12. 12 9 times is 108. 12 1 times 238, 2280. Okay, from this one we get 2280. This is 360. So totally we have 0 4 5 plus 1 6 and 2 2640 equals to 1 by 20% of x. 20% of x means 1/5 of x. 1/5 of x means this 5 comes on the numerator. 5 2 times. 4 times 8 to 6 times 12 to 2 times 4 5 528 equals to 1 by x. So x value will be 1 by 528. This is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, x square minus 16 equals to 0 means x square equals to 16. X value is plus 4 minus 4. Here to 65 times, which is 130. 130 means 13 10 times. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than, wait a second, first we need to make the base equal. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. Minus 8 to 4 times plus 8. Even though we compare this after making the base equal, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay, next here 2 into 44, 88. 88 means 11 8 times. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here 5 into 4 20 into 11 220. 220 we need to get 220. This is 31, or else we will divide this as 4 into 11 into 5. Let's divide this 2 as 4 as 2 into 2. So we have 11 20 times, we get 440. 11 20 times we get 220. So the roots are 11 and 20. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here the bases are not equal, so we need to multiply this with 5, this with 2. We get plus 40 plus 22. 8 5 times plus 40, 55 plus 55. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Now we are going to see question number 3. Here 25 and 54, 5 times 9 6 times. We need to get 75. 9 5 times 45 and 5 6 times 30. We get 75. So these are the roots. 45 and 30 are the roots. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative. Here 5 into 18, which is 90. 15 6 times is 90. So these are the roots. Plus and plus means negative and negative are the roots. Root sign. Okay. Here to make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 5. 5 6 times is 30. 5 15 times is 75. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that minus 45 comes in between these two numbers. What it means is x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation established in between these two equations. Next, fourth question. Here, this will be 9 2 times by 5 times. We need to get a 45. 10, 45, no. Let's divide this as 3 into 3. 3 2 times 6, 6 5 times 30, 30 and 15. 30 and 15 are the roots. Plus and plus means the roots are negative. Here 7 into 13. We need to get 20. So the roots are 13 and 7. The sign is minus. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 7 and this with the 18. So 18 7 times will be 126. 13 8 times is minus 234. Okay, next 15 7 times is minus 105. 17 30 times will be minus 210. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this minus 210 comes in between these two numbers. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation established in between these two equations. Next question. Here 9 6 times, this is 13 5 times. 16 3 times is 78. 9 5 times is 45. Sum of these two will get 123. So these are the roots. Minus and minus is the sign for this equation. So minus 78 minus 45 are the roots. Here 24. 24 means we can write this as 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. Write this as 5 into 3. We need to get 38. So 9 2 times is 18. 5 4 times is 20. So these are the roots. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative. So to make the base equal, we need to multiplying with original bases is difficult, so we'll taking LCM for those two. 54 and 24 LCM is, we got 216 as LCM for 54 and 24. So 54 means it becomes 216 when we multiply 54 4 times is 216. Here 24 into 9 times is 216. So first we do this one. 90 and 2 times 180. This will be 8 4 times 32. 4 7 times 28 312. In this case minus 180. 9 8 times 72. 9 1 times 9 16 162. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay, this is a last one answer. Now we are going to see wrong number series questions. First question. Here we are going to see that in reverse order it is nearly 4 times. 4 times is 16. For 6 times 24 and 25. Let's take half of this 32. 32 we get 8 8 and 2. So in reverse order into 4.5 times is 288. Next one, it looks like into 3 times, which will be 4 6 and 8. Half of this one is 144. 8 0 100. So this is into 3.5 times. So it must be into 2.5 times. So first into 2 times will be 2016. Half means 5 0 4. We get 2 5 2. Okay, this is also clear. So the next one must be into 1.5. 2520 plus 1260. We get 80. This will be 7 3780, but here we have 3580. If it is 3780, it must be into half times. 0.5 is nothing but half. So 3780 into half will be 1890. So this is our wrong number. Next question. Here we'll going to see with the differences here. The difference between these two is 24. Difference between these two is 60. Here the difference is 811, 118. Here 212. Here the difference is 6, 3 and 3. These numbers are very near to cube values. 3 cube minus 3, 4 cube minus 4. This must be 5 cube minus 5, 6 cube minus 6, 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube is ends with 3. 3 minus 7 will be 6. It is true. 6 cube, which will be ends with 6, minus 6 will be 0, not 2. 5 cube is 125. 5 minus 5 will be 0, not 8 at the end. So these two are wrong numbers, means this is our wrong number. Okay, next one. Here we are going to see that these are nearly 2 times, 40 and 50. So it is into 2 times. Here it is 84 becomes 252 into 3 times. So it must be into 4 times. Yes, it is correct. Next, this must be into 5 times. 49 5 times is not 2 times. So this must be the wrong one. This must be into 6 times. 6 times is 42. 42 5 times is 210. So wrong number is 49. Next one. Here we are going to see that it is clear that into 4 times. Here it is plus 3 into 4. 3 times 12 and 252. Okay. It must be into plus 3. So it must be into 4 times. 4 5 times 20, 4 22, 5 2 8 10 1020, not 1030. So our wrong number is 1030. Next, in this case 45 54 63, these are 9 factors, but this one is not the 9 factor. 9 5 times 9, 6 times 9, 7 times 9, 9 times 9, 10 times. This must be 9 8 times, which is 72, not 74. So our wrong number is 74. Now we are going to see missing number series. First, in this case, it is nearly 4 times. 4 times means for 180. 180 means 80. For 1 times 4, 580. 580 plus 3. Here it is nearly 5 times. 8 5 times 15, 4 41, 25, 29, 2915 minus 4. So it looks like into 4 plus 3 into 5 minus 4. It must be into 6 plus 5. 6 1 times is 6, plus 5 will be 1. So it must be into 6 plus 1. Next one is, here it must be into 3 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. So it must be into 2 plus 1. 24 2 times is 48. 48 plus 1 will be 49. 49 into 3. 9 3 times is 7 at the end. 7 minus 2 will get to 5. So our answer will be 49. Option A is our answer. Next question. Here we have, we need to see that these have plus 2 and it has plus 2. Here we have minus 2. So the next one must be minus 2, which will be 769. 769 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, here we have, it is into 5 times plus 3. It is into 7 times. 7 3 times is 21. 7 5 times 35, 37. 7 plus 3, 1071. So plus 3 into 9 times, 9 4 times 36, 9 7 times 63, 69, 9 plus 3. So it must be into 3 plus 3. It must be into 1 plus 3. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 3 times 27 plus 3, 30. So answer will be 9. Option A is our answer. Next one. Here it is clear that it is into 6 times. And I can see that this is divided by 5 times. Here it is clear that 8 becomes 2 means nearly into 4 times. Okay. Here 2 becomes 4 means divided by 3. So it must be into 2. So it will be 8, 2 and 1. 128 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, fifth question. 0.75 becomes 125 and 1875. So it must be in 0.5 fraction multiplications. So we take into 1.5, which will be 8 plus 4, 12, minus 1. Here it looks like into 1.5 times. 18.75 plus half of this one will be 9.375, which will be 5 to 1.82. 281.25 minus 4. Here it is into 1.5 means 24.125. Half means 12.0625. So it will be 5781.636. 36 becomes 31 means minus 5. So into 1.5 minus 5 into 1.5 minus 5. Here 4, here 5. So it must be into 1.5 minus 3 into 1.5 minus 2. 11 1 times is 11, 0.5 times means 5.5. We get 16.5. 16.5 minus 2 will be 14.5. So answer will be 14.5. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. The method we are using here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, then we say that the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, then we see the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the conclusions directly with the first question. The flow from C to U. From C we can reach to M. From V we can reach to U. So first conclusion will be true here. Second conclusion, the flow from C to O. From C we can reach to V and J. From J we can reach to A, and A we cannot able to reach to O. So second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion, the flow from T to E with everywhere equal to. From T we can reach to J. From J we can reach to V with everywhere equal to also. From V we can reach to E with everywhere equal to. So third conclusion will be true. Next, second question, first conclusion, the flow from Q to A with everywhere equal to. From Q we can reach to H, but there is missing of equal to here, and there is no Q in any other options. So first one is false because of equal to. Okay. Second one, the flow from Q to T. From Q we can reach to H, and P and M. From M we can reach to T. So second conclusion will be true. Third conclusion, the flow from J to Z with everywhere equal to. From J there is no flow. So this conclusion will be false. Next, the flow from O to M. From O we can reach to V N. From N we can reach to K, but not to M. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from C to N. From C we can reach to I and M. From M we can reach to N. But here we can see equal to here, equal to here, here also equal to. So there is no equal to here. So second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion, the flow from V to U with everywhere equal to. From V we can reach to N, and from N we can reach to K. but we cannot able to reach to U. So third conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see question number 4. The flow from A to C. From A we can reach to B and U. From U we can reach to C. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from F to N with everywhere equal to. From F we can reach to U and Q. From Q we can reach to N, but there is missing of equal to here. So the second conclusion will be false. Third conclusion, the flow from K to V. From K we can reach to A, B and U. From U we can reach to Q. From Q we can reach to N but not to V. So third conclusion is false. Fifth question, the flow from U to K with everywhere equal to. From U we can reach to H and F. From F we can reach to K, but there is missing of equal to here. So the first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from T to G. From T we can reach to F and K and Z. From Z we cannot able to reach to G. So second conclusion is false. Third conclusion, the flow from G to T with everywhere equal to. From G we can reach to I and Z. From Z we cannot able to reach to T. So third conclusion is false. But here we can see these two options are T and G. We have T and G, and the symbols in between them are T is greater, T is lesser, T is equal to. So all the three symbols are in between T and G. So answer for this question will be either 2 or 3 is the answer for this one. Okay, now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question. Only a few apple or mango. Some mango or papaya. Only a few papaya or kiwi. No kiwi is a apple. Let's see conclusions. All mango being kiwi is a possibility. All mango can be placed inside a kiwi. All mango. We cannot able to place all mango inside kiwi because of this part of A. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all papaya can be apple. All papaya can place inside apple. No, because of this part. So second conclusion is also false. Next we are going to see second question. Some at the rate are not, wait a second, some at the rate are not dollar. All at the rate are slash hashtag. Okay, only dollar or ampersand. So ampersand is inside dollar and doesn't share with anything except a dollar. Next one, only a few hashtag are the this symbol. Okay, only a few hashtag is this one. Now let's see conclusions. First one, all dollar can be hashtag. All dollar can place inside hashtag. It is not possible because of this one. Ampersand doesn't share with anything except a dollar. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, some at the rate being dollar is a possibility. Some part of at the rate can share with the dollar. Is it possible? Yes, we can share some part of at the rate with the dollar, but we cannot able to share this part only, but we can share this part. So the second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see question number 3. Only a few cat or dog. No cat is rat. All rats are ant. Let's see conclusions. All ant or rat is a possibility. All ant can place inside rat. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I can draw like this. C, D, C cannot able with rat, and R is nothing but A also. All A are rat, all R are ant. We can draw a possible diagram like this. So first conclusion is true. Some dog are definitely not cat. Here we see not means we check all dog can be cat or not. All dog can place inside cat as it is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. Okay, let's see fourth question. Only purple is red. All purple is red. Only a few red is pink. Some orange is not red. So some orange is not red. Let's see conclusions. Some orange is red. It is direct conclusion, and here there is no relation between orange and red sharing some part. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all pink can be purple. Can we place all pink inside purple? This is a possible diagram. All purple can place inside orange. Wait a second. All pink can be purple. All pink can place inside purple as it is possible. So second conclusion will be true. Now we are going to see fifth question. Only a few Ludo is chess. All caroms is chess. So caroms is inside chess. Only a few caroms is tennis. Only a few caroms is tennis. All tennis can be Ludo. All tennis can place inside Ludo. Is it possible? Yes. First one is true. Second one. All caroms being Ludo is a possibility. All caroms can place inside Ludo as it is possible. So second one is also true. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Square sitting arrangement puzzle. Let's see the question asked. 8 persons sit around a square table but not necessarily in the same order. 4 of them sits at the corners of the table and face outside. Okay, even though it is a square and talking about corners and middles, I'll take a drawing like this. Let's take them in two possibilities. Okay, now we are going to note the statements, and here the note given is uh, 4 persons sits at the corners facing outside, and then middles are facing inside. Now let's take the statements. Jatin sits second to the right of Zen. So second to the right of Zen is Jatin. Who represents to this one? Zen doesn't sit adjacent to Harsh. So X does not adjacent to H. X and H does not be adjacent. Jatin and Wahid sits immediate left to each other. So immediate to each other means we can place this in our diagram as Jatin and Wahid sits immediate left to each other, or else we can write Jatin here, Wahid here. So we have two possibilities. Next one. Kapil does not face towards the center. So Kapil faces outside. Kapil faces outside means Kapil sits in the corner. Okay. Next one is Yash does not sit adjacent to Jayid. Yash does not sit adjacent to Jed. S and Z does not sit adjacent. Et sits third to the right of Jaid. Third to the right of Jaid is Et. Who represents to Jaid. Jaid who sits immediate left of Harsh. Z sits immediate left of Harsh. Okay, these are the rough statements. Now we need to find our solution from this statements. Here we have Jatin here means we can write x value, x person, x, then Jen's place is this one. Second to the right is J. In this case, second to the right means Jen place is here. Okay. So we have completed this part also. Now we are going to see this one. If we place Z here, then third to the right 1, 2, 3 I is here, but Z is immediate left of H. So this is not the place for H. So we cannot place Z here. If we cannot place Z here, then we can shift here. Z can sit here. Z third to the right. This is I place. Okay. Next, Z is immediate left of H. This one. Okay. In this case, if we place um, Z here, 1, 2, 3. This is the place for I. Z is immediate left of H. So this is not the place for Z here. In this case, this is the place for Z. If we place Z here, 1, 2, 3. This is the place for I. Okay. Z is immediate left of H. So H place is this one. So we have completed these two also. Y and Z does not be adjacent to each other. So this is the place for Y. But here K sits at the corner. So there is no place for K. So this is fails. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners we have. K sits at the corner and Y and Z does not be adjacent. This is Z and this is Y. Okay. So we have completed this statement. X and H does not be adjacent. X here and H is here. So this is our solution. This is the puzzle we got. Answer for our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked in question. Who among the sits immediate right of Kapil? Immediate right of Kapil is Jade. Option A is our answer. Second question. 4 of the 5 are alike. So find odd one out. Yes, Jade, it. Yes, Jade, it. So it is the wrong one because these are middle persons. This is corner. Jatin is also middle one and Zen is middle one. Iti is our answer. C is the wrong one. So answer is C. Next we are going to see question number 3. As many persons sit between Jade and Ash. This is Jade and this is Ash. In between there is one person. So Kapil and Harsh. Kapil and Harsh. There is also one person in between them. So answer will be option A. Okay. Next, second question. What is the position of S with respect to Wahid? Position of S with respect to Wahid. 1, 2, third to the right. Third to the right. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth one. If we interchange the positions of Iti and Ash. So Iti and Ash. So this is the place for Iti now and S place is this one. Then who will sit third to the right of Iti? Third to the right of Iti means 1, 2, 3 Wahid. Option B is our answer. So by this we have completed our daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.